I'm running this here for Dan. Go down, copy the 10 names on the list. Edit, copy. There's the bottom. We got the good to go, so let's go live. It is 11:23 a.m. Page the 10 names as you see. 11:23. Roll dice, no snake eyes. Boom, 7 times. Good number. 617. At 11:23, going 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 6. 11:23. 6 or 1 or 7. 11:23. Last and final time. Good luck. Boom. D's nuts in the 7th spot. I'm going to guess that is Sutton. We went 7 times. Dan's on top in the 7th spot. I'm guessing it's Dan. I could be wrong. 11:24. Okay, calm down. 617, 11:24. There's your 7 times with 7th spot ending up on top with these nuts. Let's go ahead, comment done. It is 11:24.